How to redeem your gift card on Groupon. So in order to redeem your gift card, I would recommend you guys using the web version of Groupon. So you can open any of your browser. I'm going with Google, and on the search bar you can type www.groupon.com and then search. After searching for it, here we'll get to the official website of Groupon, from which you'll have to now make sure to log into your account. Right now here you can see I am logged in. Then here what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile icon. After doing that, here you'll get the option of redeem gift card. Tap on it. And then here all you have to do is simply enter your gift card code and then tap on add to my box. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Groupon. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.